And it looks like the lip's just been
built up. Over
yeah, just built up. Yeah, I was really eager to see this. This is like a spear.
Yeah.
You can go fishing with that.
Yeah.
Morning guys, welcome along to another MX5 weekly restorer update. It's a fresh one this morning. Got someone in the car park doing some additional work on the MX5s here. Hi, what's your name and where'd you come from?
Number and
yeah. What are we doing out here? This is normally my little quiet moment with the audience out here in the car park.
yeah, I'll just well, we've got new badges for the F-reg one. I thought, do you know what?
And stick them on.
I'm going to take pleasure in putting them on. It makes such a difference, doesn't it? Just to have new badges.
Yeah.
When you carried out this amount of work in the car. This takes it to the...
So you got the new UNOS. Got the new UNOS badge on the front there. That's nice and cheap. Worth it though. Just need to get the the weather strips are on.
this one isn't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I had a look at it over the other day and I was trying to figure out what it probably possibly needed. I didn't spot that. I was like badges, but
Needs a final polish. And
so there's a nice brand new UNOS badge on the back there. We did have the old badges for this, didn't we? But it wouldn't have looked right sticking them back on.
dun 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 dun.
Look at the concentration.
Constipation on my face.
I'll be checking afterwards to see if it's straight. If anyone knows Garath, it'll be straight.
It's not straight.
Alright, let's go and see what's
If
happening.
anyone comments, we know that's a red one on a 1.6.
Oh, do you know what? I was going to leave it quiet to see who was going to pipe up about that. Oh well.
Black ones.
No. So there we go. A red roadster sticker, which, as said, you do find it on the black one.
Look alright. It's on a red car.
Yeah, red on red, it's all good. Right, okay. Hopefully back on track this week. Roy's back, so we've got some work to catch up on and a few things waiting in the car park to be done. So let's kick it off. So we've got Tom's Red Mark 1 in with a small running issue. So we've got to look into that. Silver Mark 1, it's in for us to supply and our source, I think, a diff because I think it's noisy, but we've got to look into that as well. I think I spoke about this one last week, this white Mark 1. This one's in for sills, lowered suspension, a geo and a few other bits and pieces. I thought there was another one. Okay, never mind. Which one? Ah, yes, at the back here. There's Mark 2.5. It's in for a lot of work. I think it's both sills, chassis rails, under seal, MOT, full service. Lots more other little bits and pieces on that. So, and that's what's waiting outside to be started. But we've already got stuff going on inside as well. So I've been held up with a few bits and pieces on waiting for some parts to come. So it's not too bad though. I think we'll be at the forefront of things towards the end of the week. Turn that off. There we go. Hang on. Here we go. Now they can see you, Roy.
Why don't they want to see me?
Oh, they've missed you, I think.
No one misses me.
My weekly update last week, I think, was probably a bit boring.
Right, well, big holes.
So Roy came back from his holiday last week, and we're like, "Here, Roy,
Yeah.
you need to get this done."
No.
Actually, you need to get this done in 2 days, Roy.
Actually,
you need to get it done in 2 days.
Garath said, I'll give you that one. Sills and arches, doesn't look too bad. Got it done in 2 days. I picked up the clipboard and was like, that ain't 2 days work.
No,
it's
Garath missed off
the fact that it's
this bit, that it's going to need all that.
yeah. So
It's not as rusty now, though.
no, I spent a day chopping stuff out.
Have you got the old stuff?
Yeah, it's all up here.
Is this all just this side?
This is just this side.
Blimey.
Yeah. So we started off. We took the outer panel of the sill off. Obviously been repaired before.
Yeah.
And then started to cut off the sill section, which had been repaired midway beforehand. Massive patch along there.
So is it which side's going to the floor pan?
So that would be that way around.
Yep.
Down.
Okay. Yep.
So I had that and the lip done. So this is what we found when we cut it.
Yes, this is the bit I wanted to see.
It's just like patch upon patch.
Yeah, I know.
So,
This must have been rusting at a really early stage in its life.
yeah. So obviously this is original,
Yeah.
and then it's had
There's actually a patch on a patch,
patch
isn't
on
there?
patch there. Yeah. So it's had one big patch,
Double patched.
and then it's patched again,
And it looks like the lip's just been,
just built up. Over the
yeah,
years.
just built up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was really eager to see this. This is like a spear.
Yeah.
You can go fishing with that.
Yeah. And then because we found this. Someone had already attempted to try and repair the upright.
Yeah.
With this bit here. So this is someone's attempt at repairing the upright.
So have they done that? Getting access to it then?
Well, obviously they did that when they cut,
Must have cut it open, yeah.
because this bit goes down to
They've made
goes there like that.
made an attempt to make it stronger, but if you can't get full access to that, you can't clean it up.
No, so
So
they've
it's a
done
bit
that.
pointless effort, really.
Yeah, the back end of the sill was all just rotted away.
Yeah,
So I just cut it out in one big chunk.
it's the only way to do it, really. Otherwise, you'll spend 3 times the amount of time just trying to pick welds off, which you
Well,
don't really need to do, do
This
you?
is the jacking point where the sill drains are supposed to be.
Yeah.
As you see, they're non-existent.
Well, that's for extra strength, Roy. For that extra mil of strength, you get rid of the get rid of the seal drains, and you weld them up, and it makes them a bit stronger.
And the front end of the sill.
Hang on, I'm joking on that one. Okay.
Front end of the sill where obviously the front wing bumps onto here and there.
Yeah.
It's all corroded inside.
Got ya.
Seal end plate.
Almost looks satisfying doing that.
It was. So yeah, seal end plate. It all rotted at the bottom. So we just cut it out. It was all
Yeah.
rotted down here really badly. Done that.
Wow.
And then yeah.
So have you got the same the other side now, or is it?
No, it's just still an arch on the other side to do. So it shouldn't be too bad.
Get the worst out of the way.
Yeah, so at the moment just cleaning up the back end of this to rust treat it. The front end I've already made.
Let's get in there with the camera a bit better, and people can see how nice. So it's just so much easier to work with once you've got rid of all that rust. We've always had to come all the way down.
So this will go up higher. We'll cut this away.
Yeah,
higher.
yeah.
Probably to about here. And remake this. But I've also had to cut this section out
Yeah.
to get to behind here, otherwise I can't weld that right and this section in because I've got to rebuild. So I had to rebuild all the jacking point. So I had to cut this section out as well.
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing wrong with it. So this is the start of the rebuild process. So this is going to be welded into there.
Did you make that?
Yeah.
You're getting a bit too good, Roy.
So
I think that machine, I think the deep throat machine should just be over here in your area, because you seem to deep throat more than anyone in this workshop.
yeah, thanks.
That is what it's called though.
Yes, that is what it's called, but there's no need for
No, I'm not. I was
engagement.
just, you know, I saw you struggling lifting it over here, and I thought, well, maybe you should just keep over here.
That section there, and then once that's welded in, we've got jogging in section there.
You've got quite a lot done like this, though, haven't you?
Yeah, so that'll be that's joggled in, so that'll continue on there. And then once that's in, I can rebuild the upright.
Let's have a look. It's nice.
And then I can weld back in the bit that's perfectly fine. Right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Excellent, mate. Alright. Well, you're going to be on this. Yeah, so we'll come and do another video, and then we'll see. You'll probably have that bit done, and we can talk about something else.
Yeah, I'll have it rebuilt and hopefully the arch and that off by then.
Cool.
Maybe
Alright.
even have this one cut open. We'll see. But there's this, and there's camera water pump under sill do as well. Lots of work.
Cool. Alright. Nice one. See you on the next one, boy. Let's go and see Jim.
Hello.
You alright? How's it going?
Rusty knife all the way about. Right.
What have you been up to?
MOT repairs on this. What is it? Brake line crossover pipe, the rear axle. Brake line on this side. This bit of the lower bumper bolts up. Got that out of another car. Welded in. Good, isn't it?
Looks alright, isn't it? Yeah, it was a bit rusty, that wasn't it?
Yeah, not a lot of that left.
It's odd that they've gone that far. You do get some surface corrosion on it, but I don't think I've actually come across one that was that far gone before.
Has it got caught or something, I suppose?
Shiny new caliper there.
Yeah, brake caliper, 6 and a bit.
New shiny bit of pipe. So this going to be back over for an MOT today?
Yeah, I'll get it retested today, and then it's going to get
Get the
back
paint
for
sorted
another
out,
test.
yeah. Cool.
You
Alright.
good to go?
Yeah, we're also doing a dent, aren't we?
Yeah.
On this, which I did pop out yesterday, but I'm not sure whether you're going to pick that up. There was a dent here, so we've got someone coming along to just iron out the creases, which is up here, and hopefully make that completely invisible, but I'm not sure whether you're picking that up on the camera. I think you might be. Yeah, you are. It's just there. You can see it there. Another one as well. Alright, is that it?
Yeah, that's it on this one.
Cool. Alright. Alright. Cheers, Jim. Ash.
Chris.
Yeah. Eagle-eyed viewers will remember this car. This is the one that had the uprated radiator install video done on. What are you doing to it?
Rebuilding it after the respray. Putting it all back together.
How's it going?
Alright. First one's to get apart was a bit of a half-ton carry. It's broken a bit for me to fix, so
Pardon?
taking a bit longer than usual.
You should have observed before you started putting things back together. And the car had to get to paint, as I explained to you yesterday. Are you gonna chat? Are you gonna chat?
What's to say? I'm putting the
What,
car
run
back
through what
together.
you've been doing. Right, okay, I'll be doing it then. Golly. Right. So you haven't done the belt line trim yet, Ash. Shall I just walk around and point out the things that you've still failed to put on? You haven't put the indicators on. You haven't put the side reflectors on. Oh, you're coming to chat now that I'm sort of digging. How's it gone back together? All right.
Yeah, if it wasn't for the bits
It's looking
that were
right, isn't it?
broken and not done before it went to paint, and yeah.
It's fine.
fine,
Did you
yeah.
post the new door catch in the door now?
Yeah, I put replace that door catch.
The one that was broken.
And
So while doesn't happen that often, but while the car was with us, the door catch just broke on the door, on the driver's side door. So yeah. So we put another one in there. I think it's having new window regs, a few other bits and pieces. Roof, I think, is being discussed at the moment. Oh, there you go. I just had to step over stuff what Jim's doing. So, okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye.